1 Minute French, Lesson 1. My name is Pierre Benoit, and I'd like to welcome you to this course from the Radiolingua Network. During this course, I'm going to be teaching you the absolute basics of French. In each lesson, we'll spend exactly 1 minute learning the language. Then you'll have time to go over what you've learned. It's very easy to learn French, and I hope you enjoyed these lessons. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. In this first lesson, we're going to learn to say hello and goodbye, two very important words in any situation. To say hello, you say bonjour. Listen to this again. Bonjour. Repeat after me. Bonjour. Now let's learn the phrase for goodbye. It's au revoir. Try that again. Au revoir. One more time. Au revoir. Well done. Let's go over these two phrases again, one more time. It's important to practice the new words and phrases in each lesson as often as possible. Try these one more time with me. Bonjour. Au revoir. Time's up. And that's all for this program of 1 Minute French. We'd suggest that you listen again, just to get used to the sounds of the language and to make sure the words really stick in your head. You can visit our website on oneminute.languages.com. Join us again soon for more French. In the meantime, goodbye. Or, as you can now say in French, au revoir.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.